Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I have an unboxing here. It's not actually a mail call because this is something I ordered, but it's something that's going to help us out here on the compound here going forward. And my wife has agreed that it might be time for us to get a certain type of livestock. And this will help us in maintaining control of that livestock and be able to use them properly. As you see, this box here, it is a big box. And actually, there are two of them here. All right, so let me go ahead and get the one off the other one so I don't knock it over by accident, and pop this one here open here. I'm going to go ahead and the bottom here opened up here. Maybe. There we go. That one up here. There. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see anything in here yet, so it's going to be a surprise. But it comes with some little accessories here. Alright, it's got some colored cords, green, black, two green, one black, one yellow, and a bunch of little stakes. You're still probably wondering, what the heck is it? Well, actually this is turned around upside down, so let's move it over here. So I'll pull it out of here without losing it. And a bunch of you are still going, what the heck is that? Well, these plastic pieces here have a wire going through it. And down here at the bottom, it has one that doesn't have wire in it, the black. And the yellow at the top has other wire in it as well. And it's got some foot stakes here on it to stick it in the ground as you unroll it, and basically this is an electric fence, a portable electric fence, movable electric fence. And so there's 164 feet of fence, not quite 48 inches tall. So I got two of these, and what we're planning on getting to use these on is getting some goats. And so out in the field out there, instead of burning up diesel fuel and time and brush hogging it and rototilling an area there until we're ready to put into use for a garden or growing other stuff, we will just go ahead and let the natural stuff grow, and we'll have some goats, and we'll rotate the goats in sections going out there so that they can eat it down, and will produce meat goats for meat, for food. All right, so this is, I got two of these. Go ahead and set this one back in here. It does come with a piece of plywood on the bottom here so the pegs don't, the legs don't go through it. Set in here right, so I don't lose it here. There we go. But that's not the only thing I got. Nope. Got the accessory pack back in there. The other thing I got goes with it. And I already unboxed it because I had to do some stuff to it and talk about what it is. So this is solar powered, and it's got the clamps here on it for charging and energizing the fence. Now, basically what I did is I read the instructions on it because I knew I wanted to check it out before I did an official unboxing, but it's got multiple things on the back here. It has a DC port here where I can plug it in and plug to a little transformer in and plug it in so I can run it off of the 110. or I got the choices here for the switch here. And so those choices are auto and night. Auto, off, and night. Right now it's in the off, so it's not working. In auto, it puts out, I remember, 11 joules every 1.75 seconds. So, and at night, it puts it, when you're in night mode, that when the sun goes down, it automatically changes from the 1.75 to 1.28 or whatever, something weird like that. They can't just do it like 2 seconds and 4 seconds. They gotta mix it up. So it doesn't go off as much at night because generally the animals are not active at night. So this one here will do, let's say on it, I'm trying to remember, I think this one here would do like up to 6 miles of fencing. We're basically talking about the wire running single wire out. So for one of these, it'll work, they'll probably handle like 4 or 5 of these 164-foot sections because you're covering the whole thing. And so that's one of the things coming up for this next year in 2024. And you can expect some videos coming out and when I actually go ahead and get the goats and how we're going to take care of them. One of the things I got to do first in the springtime, actually I have to wait till we actually get the goats, I guess, but out here on the other side of the shop was the old pig pen that Brandon used for raising pigs, and it's an old grain silo that he poured cement in the floor, and then a run area that he poured cement out there for, so they could just go in there with his skid steer and scrape up all the pig poo and just haul it off, get rid of it. So we're going to change that up around a little bit so that in the wintertime, we can house the goats out there and they can, spend most of their time inside the old grain silo, which is about 25 feet across. And they'll have a nice area outside where they can come outside in the sun and stuff when it's not snowing and raining and everything else, and they'll be nice, safe, and warm out there. So those are some of the things that are coming up next year that you keep an eye out for, videos on it, and you can see me become a goat roper. I can't believe I said that. We, having been raised, with my dad, my dad was a rodeo guy, 10 years, top 10 rodeo, all around cowboy. We had cows and everything else. My cousins had goats on the property there for a little bit, but that was theirs. They took care of them, except when they got out, and then we put them away. But never thought I'd be a goat roper. So we're going to be getting some goats. We're going to try to get at least 8 bottle-fed goats for next year, and this is all part of it. And the hard part is going to be setting this up so that the grandkids can get in there to play with the goats, because we're getting bottle-fed goats which are used to human interaction, and that way the kids can go out there and play with the kids. Ooh, a pun on words. Goat kids are called kids, and people kids are called kids. All right, so anyways, so that's what's coming up here for next year, and so that's this unboxing is out to let you know what's coming up here that you can look forward to, and get your popcorn ready for next year, because it's probably going to be very entertaining out there messing around with the goats. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Enlarge your self-reliancy. Plant a garden. Harvest the food. Can the food. Find food on sale cheap from farmers and homesteaders and other gardeners in the area, so you're getting healthy food for your family. All right? See you around, and take care.